So in here I've got 5 frames.
Oh, okay.
And what I'll do is I've got a clip here that the bees can go in, or the queen can go into. And I'm gonna have this handy. I don't necessarily need it, but I'll have it handy here.
Okay, so how does the queen know to go there, to that clip?
Oh, I put her in there. She doesn't know.
Oh,
I put her there.
You put her in there.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture when you do it?
Get your camera out. I'm about to start.
Can I video?
Well, he is videotaping too.
And that bag's about to fall down in from the weight of the bees.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this upside down on the lid here. I thought I had a tarp in my truck, but I couldn't find it. I think I had it out
You
drying
need a
from the
tarp?
rain.
Do you need a tarp?
No, not now. Oh, I've seen the queen. The queen is right here. She is in the clip now.
Oh, wow.
Give me a second to make sure I didn't miss her. Oh, I'm not seeing her.
Oh, they're going down.
Yeah, they're going down. That's okay. That's okay. I thought I saw her in there, but maybe not. I may have pushed her in. Okay, so I'm going to pull this bag out, since it's not too heavy anyway. And let these ladies go with the rest of their crew. And I'm still going to watch for that queen because I don't think I got her in the clip. Nope, I did not. So she's in here somewhere. So they've already started building wax on that lid.
Oh, wow.
So I'm going to turn this camera around here. We've got wax already started. And I'm still watching for that queen because she did not get in my clip. Who sees the queen? They'll settle.
They're definitely not as angry as the ones.
Yeah, the ones in the forest, chances are if a tree had fallen, they had an established colony that they're trying to defend. And these have no home to defend, so they're not aggressive or defensive. So I'm going through here and I'm just watching for that queen because she's a lighter color since I saw her.
And much bigger.
And yeah, she's longer than the other bees. As soon as I see her, she will go in that clip. I'm gonna have it right there in handy. So some of the things we watch for in a hive are hive beetles. There's a little black beetle walking around there.
Oh, yes.
It will actually travel with swarms because they can fly.
Oh, really?
And hive beetles are something that we don't want in our hives.
What's that?
They'll have little larvae maggots that will
those
slime
are
all
the
the
bad
honey.
ones?
Yeah,
Okay.
they defecate in the honey. And
So how do you get rid of them?
there she is. See her?
Yes. Yes. Much bigger.
All right. So now I'm gonna pick her up and put her in the clip. Now we have the queen.
All right.
So she's going to go in here. open this lid or the entrance, and they're going to have time to
Because they will know.
travel in
who's
now.
there.
So they will eventually find her scent. Now I watch for additional queens also. There's not all. Sometimes there's more than one queen with a swarm. Sometimes.
Oh, I can see these. I saw one.
Yeah.
So they
It is
traveled with them.
Yeah. Yeah. The beetles. They know that the honey that they produce, that the bees bring in, is a source of food. So they lay their eggs, and the larvae consume the honey, and they defecate in the honey and make it nasty.
Yeah.
Poop in it.
So they attach themselves to the bees and they travel.
No. That's mites that attach themselves to the bees. This is just a beetle.
Oh,
It's larger, but it's
so it happens. that bees
they
will
they travel with the bees. So I'm going to take a scoop of bees. Now I'll probably get stung,
Now film.
and I'm going to put these bees over here with the queen, and they're going to smell her and start fanning their wings to call the others over. So they start walking around and investigating and realize they smell their queen in there. Alright, so let's take another handful.
This is beyond fascinating.
No stings yet. See, they're running away from her. What's going on with that? They're coming back over. Maybe it's because they smell where they've been all night. They've got
Or
a
is it
they've got a
possible
scent.
There is another one.
It's possible. Not unheard of at all. In fact, multiple queens colonies occur more often in nature than what people realize. People say, "Oh, there can only be one queen in a hive." No, sometimes there's a mother and a daughter that are coexisting, and one hasn't just killed the other. I'm gonna.
Yeah, they're not attached to this.
So they have their butts in the air, and they're raised up, and they're putting a scent into the air that smells like lemongrass to us, and it's a smell that says, "Hey, come here, this is home."
Oh, they're.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're already recognizing it as a home.
Because these frames already have wax on them,
Oh yeah.
so they know they've got a furnished apartment here already, and I'll put a feeder on it later in the day.
So how long will you keep them in this box
Probably through the winter.
through the winter?
Yeah, I may put them in a better insulated box, maybe a wooden box that's better insulated, and let's see.
Some of them are in the back of
Yeah.
Tell you what, move the trash can to another location.
So, did you have problems with this parasite?
All right, Alright, so what I'm going to do is pull a few of these frames out. Y'all might stand back because I'm going to shake these bees into the box
Okay.
just to quicken things up.
I expected to have beekeeper, fully protected with the gear, and
Well,
here you are.
I've got my hood there if I need it.
You appear.
It's only my eyes I'm worried about.
You don't need it now.
Good you have.
So they've got wax started in here. See all that white?
Oh yeah.
So they had hives somewhere, right? In what, few miles from here?
They probably came from less than 100 yards of here.
Really?
Yeah.
So somewhere they are bees.
Yeah, somebody's probably got bees in a valve box of their home or something. Irrigation box, you know. Yard. Oh, it wasn't even recording.
So colony is when they are migrating.
Swarming is when they're reproducing.
Okay.
I'm gonna close the entrance down here. Put the lid on.
But still, so some are.
And I'm gonna set this box here. And what I can do is this evening, that way, because they've been coming here for the last day.
Yes.
That way, this evening, I can come back and get the box up, and then
Okay.
just go.
So you
they're-
come in the evening and you pick it up, right?
Yeah, after around sundown.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Would that work for y'all? Want me to give you a call or a text and let you know?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna.
Either way.
We will be home.
Okay.